Discover your musical potential on Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. Welcome to another week's video. Today we're going to learn E major along with some tips, some very important tips in order to play the notes right and you don't have any challenges. So let's get to it. So the first thing you do for E major is you put your first finger on first fret, third string. Second finger goes on fifth string, second fret, and third finger goes on second fret, fourth string. And that's your E major. Now remember, always use your fingers as little hammers. Use your fingertips. Don't use this way your fingers, but this way in order to get a clear sound. Another tip you need to remember is a lot of people make the mistake and instead of putting the thumbs like this, they put their hands like this. No, because this way, as you can see, you don't have a good grasp of your guitar. But if you do it right and you put your finger on the middle of the fretboard, you see this? See how much space I have here for the fingertips? Which is important. It is very important that the fingertips don't touch adjacent strings. And that's how you get the clear sound. And also remember to put the fingers in the middle of the frets. You see this? If you put it like here, you don't have a good control. You don't have a clear sound. This way though, this is what you want to get. Same thing goes with all the fingers. And that's how you play E major. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.